Okay, y'all ready? Here we go. Whoa, look at that. Purple and blue. Look at the fortification banding in that. I have to polish that one up. And we're going to start out on the high-tech diamond all you need flat lap. We're going to start with a 60 grit disc. Okay, we've moved now to my high-speed sander. This is something I made the shroud out of on my 3D printer, just something I designed. And I used my drill press and a sanding pad with hook and loop on it. I use silicon carbide disc on there. Now I'm going to change the speed of the drill up. I'm going to set it up to 3,100 RPMs. Definitely going to need PPE on this, and this does have an exhaust on it, and I'm going to turn that on now. I'm using the shop vac out to the side. Okay, now I'm going to change the speed on the drill down to 990 RPMs. We're going to change out to 15,000 aluminum oxide. For these little stones, it looks like it's got enough on the pad here. But again, a 15,000 aluminum oxide, and I'm going to turn on the shop vac. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure and give it a like, and if you want to see more content like this, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, y'all take care.